Hey crafty friends, it's Melinda from mypapercrafting.com, and today I'm sharing this card. It's the first card I made as part of the RG Studio 360 design team, which I am super proud to be a part of. And this was my first project, and I just really wanted to come on here really quick and share a little bit of the details on how I created it, and maybe just kind of give you a little bit more close-up of the flowers in particular. The flowers are part of the Magnolia Notes download that is part of the monthly club that you can subscribe to, and with that club kit comes the downloads, as well as they send you a kit, a physical kit that contains product so that you can do cards and you can follow along. And then it also includes a virtual class link that RG himself teaches as he walks you through each of the designs for the cards that they send you the product for. But the really, it's really neat because while it's live, you can ask him questions, and there's a moderator on there that helps answer the questions, helps him answer the questions, or relays the questions to him while he's creating. And it's really useful, especially if you want a little more detail on how to do things. I have found it extremely helpful. On one class, I learned all about gesso. So anyway, it is such a great value, and you're supporting a wonderful company at startup. So, but I wanted to show the little flowers that I created for my card. And what I did was I used my chameleon pencils, my colored pencils. And if you haven't seen these are the colored pencils that have the coordinating colors, one on each side. And they're just wonderful because they have great color, great pigment. And then, like I said, the colors are already kind of coordinated for you. So I've been using those, but I used those to color the flowers here. And then what I did was I cut the flowers in layers so that I could layer them. So I don't know if you can see that or not. The dimension that is, I don't know if you can see that or not. The holder for my camera or for my phone kind of obstructs my view, so I can't see if you guys see it or not. But you see there's layers there. And it's really, and then I lifted up the petals and curled them. And then I don't know if the light is capturing any of the shimmer. I added some Spectrum Noir to my sparkle pen to give it some shimmer. And then I just kind of curled the leaves. And then used foam tape, of course, or foam, I don't know if you can see that. In between, maybe that's too close. But I wanted to show, because the pictures on my blog post kind of don't really show you the depth of the card, you know, the depth of the flowers. So I just wanted to show that. But that's what I did. I printed them out because they're a digital download, and then I went ahead and just printed multiples, and then I cut the different layers according to the petals that are already a part of the image. And that's what I did. And then I created this SVG file, this decorative frame, as an SVG file, and I used that. And I really kind of had this idea to do this white on white thing, and I wanted it to be really clean and simple. And this is one of very few cards that I have no sentiment on the front of it, but I wanted those beautiful blooms that are part of that digital download, the flowers, to really just take center stage. And then I used an embossing folder to emboss the white cardstock. And then I used Nuvo Crystal Drops, the ivory seashell, to go around. And then I used the ebony in the center of this flower to give it a little dimension as well. But if you are interested in the decorative frame, the SVG file, you can find the link in the information section of this video below. And you can find the link to the rgstudio360.com is their website, and you can go over there and sign up for the club kit, and you can get the digital download, as well as, even though the class is already passed, you can still get the kit. You'll get the link to the virtual class that took place, and then of course you'll get the amazing download. So go ahead and take a look there. And they also have some free downloads right now that you can get, so that you can check those out as well. So anyway, if you like this video, please take a moment to hit the like button and subscribe. Head over to my blog. I have the additional photos of the project as well on there. And if you are on Facebook, look me up on Facebook. I also have a Facebook group where I share other free files. So I will leave the link to that in the info section below on this video. As always, thank you so much for stopping by. Until the next time, you have a wonderfully crafty day.